Sorry to bug you, but this video is super interesting for you to miss. You're going to learn how to get rid of bugs, especially now in the summertime. Flies can be disturbing, but this bad boy is going to do the job here. Such little gadgets will save a lot of trouble for those of you that are scared of bugs. Moving on to a miracle worker. Tired of those mosquito bites? Just prepare this mixture, and that's about it. If you're scared of spiders, just save up those orange peels after eating one. Termites are a huge problem for anything made of wood, but the solution to that is none less than some petroleum jelly. Now, let's keep going with something very unpleasant: bed bugs. Fine grinded silica is the solution to remove them from your beloved bed. Grab those bay leaves, not for making a sauce, but for repelling pantry moths. Bet you're learning so many new things from this amazing video. Do this the next time you get a bee sting. And this is for the bad bug bites. Honey and cinnamon are really the solution for many other things. Enjoying time in the nature seems impossible because of a possible bee attack. Check this one out. Easy peasy. Are you guys taking notes? Because you're going to need these hacks in your everyday life. Fruit flies can be tiny, but they cause a lot of trouble, and a soda plastic bottle is the solution to that. While saving your plants, never been easier. Just follow these instructions. Summer means getting bitten by bugs, and that hurts. Here's a little cure. This oatmeal remedy is here to save the day, and the skin of this young girl too. Amazing bug repelling hacks right here. Have a bugless summer, guys.